slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? RV Stuff back in once again with a quick little review. Of course, you can see they're just the Air Jordan 5 off-whites. I've reviewed 2 pairs in the past. This is the most up-to-date pair that I've gotten. They are from YesKicks. By the way, if you're new to your channel and you do like what you see, make sure you hit that subscribe button, drop a like on the video, show your boy some love, and turn on notifications, as well as don't forget to follow your boy on Instagram at RVStuffTV. With all that being said, guys, let's get into it. I'm not going to take too long in this video. We already know how these shoes look, how, you know, everything like that. For the most part, they're not old by any means, but they're not new shoe either. So yeah, let's just get into it. So here's the information for the seller. If you guys are new to the channel, you might not know of YesKicks. If you're a current viewer of mine, you probably know about them. So there's all the information. If you use the code RVStuff, you can save yourself $15 on anything on the site if it still works. And if it doesn't, just let me know. If you're trying to buy something and it doesn't work, I'll message them and see what's up. But yeah, so there's all that. All this will be in the description as well, minus the website link, of course. And here are the shoes. They came double boxed as well as bubble wrapped, so good packaging is always from YesKicks. I do have another pair of shoes that I ordered at the same time. They didn't come yet, so I'm wondering, I emailed them. I'm wondering if they emailed or if they sent them in a different package. And I also, someone recommended me to get some V-Loan from them, which I had no idea they even sold. They didn't used to, so I copped a V-Loan shirt. Let's see how that comes in as well. But yeah, so let's get into it. This is a box for them. Pretty simple stuff, just the regular Jordan 5 box. You've seen it before, so I'm not going to take too long on it. It just has holes everywhere, covered in plastic. Here's a size tag. These are US 10, so they know they are not for me. They are for a friend of mine. Actually, my tattoo artist. Yeah, one of my tattoo artists, so he wanted me to hook him up with some kicks, so I got him. But yeah, so inside the box, pretty simple stuff. Again, you can see how the plastic is just for the holes and stuff like that. But yeah, got 2 pairs of laces, one gray and one red as well. So that's cool. You got, surprisingly, YesKicks doesn't typically send stuff with StockX stuff unless you go out of your way to ask for them, but this time it did come with it. So got the little StockX thing with the sticker. Sticker is not really centered, but it is what it is. At least it's included. This is verified authentic. Then you got the little StockX paperwork, and then as well as the little StockX sticker, and then you have this stuff as well, just this plastic wrap that comes in the box for the shoes. So pretty simple stuff. You don't get a whole lot. It's nothing crazy by any means. So yeah, let's take a look at the shoes finally. Let's throw the box to the side, and here are the shoes. They do look good. One honest improvement that I remember seeing, or that I see now from my first batches that I got for myself and for another friend. Well, actually I just have 2 for myself. Actually, they're the same size, so I don't even know what I'm doing with the other one. But yeah, the spikes right here, they look a lot sharper and cleaner, so it's nice to see that. Before they were kind of rounded out at the tops, but besides that, the shoe looks on point. Otherwise, I haven't really found anything that's you know, obviously wrong with them. So stitching looks good, and yeah, everything in general looks pretty good on these. Got a little tag here, just says made in China, I believe. Yeah, got the laces. The writing looks good on the laces as well. It's good to see. And of course, you got the little writing here. Again, everything looks good. If I see something while I'm checking the shoe out, I'll let you guys know, but in general, these look 1-1 to me. They look on point. So yeah, usually YesKicks doesn't let down. I know my boy Chills says don't typically buy off-white for them, but sometimes, most of the time for me, actually, they've been pretty decent for even for off-white stuff. So inside the shoe, got the Nike Air. There's what the size tag's looking like as well, so y'all can get a good look at that. But yeah, in general, like I said, I'm not gonna make this video overly long. Just gonna show you guys what's good with these shoes. There's a 3M tongue, so it is super shiny. Got the little lace lock right here as well. So hard to see. It's kind of like blinding, honestly, with how shiny it is. But yeah, I'm not a huge fan of these shoes. I usually like wearing low top shoes, but these are pretty okay. You could probably pull your pants, pull the ends of your pants down to like here, and it'll look pretty fire. I personally don't like how high they are, and if I was to wear them like fully high with the pants tapered up, I'd probably like tie them really hard. I like that look. I just don't like the loose look, personally. So here's the left shoe. Again, you can see shark teeth there, the spikes. They look good and nice and sharp at the ends. But I forgot to show the bottom of the shoe as well on this one. So there's what the bottom looks like. Got the nice piss yellow icy bottom. Oops. Whoa, doing a whole roll here. But yeah, left shoe, same thing. Everything looks good. Inside the shoe, size tag, y'all already know. Got the Air Jordan there cut off because it has a circle here on the tongue. So you can see that. Again, looks good. This one's kind of more dragged down because it has not just the lace lock, but it also has a zip tie on this shoe. If I can even pull this here a little bit, there we go. So yeah, you got the zip tie. Looks good as well. Nothing obviously wrong with it. So yeah, just in general, good looking shoe. I don't really see anything bad with them. So let me know your guys' thoughts in the comment section down below. I'm not going to take any more of your time. More videos on the way. I'm doing this video, and then I got some Chrome Hearts stuff. I got a hat and a hoodie from Designer GU, so I'm gonna review those as well and pump them out within the next few days. So hopefully you guys enjoy, and more heat on the way, of course. If you're new to your channel, you know what to do. With all that being said, guys, enjoy your weekend. Enjoy, whatever's going on at the day that you're watching this. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. More heat on the way. Peace.